Hi, welcome to the UB Library's Zotero video series. This is the 5th video in the series, Zotero Group Libraries. My name is Allie Wood, and I'm one of the engineering librarians here at UB. In this video, I'll discuss the collaborative features available in Zotero. These features allow users to create group libraries and share research material information with other Zotero users. To use the collaborative features, you must have the Zotero desktop library and a Zotero account, and they should be synced together. I covered how to do all these things in the first video, setting up Zotero. Please watch that if you haven't already. First, I'm going to go to zotero.org and log in. The URL to get there is just www.zotero.org, and I'm going to log in using this button up top. Once I'm logged in, Zotero is going to take me to the web library. Then I'm going to click on this Groups button in this upper toolbar. On this page, I can see all of the group libraries that I'm part of, and I can also search for new groups and create new groups. To create a new group, just click on the Create a New Group link, and this will take you to a page where you can put in information about your new group. First, you need to pick a name. I'll go with Bio 101 as an example. And then I need to select my group type. I can do a public open membership group where people online can find my group and join if they want. I can do a public closed group or closed membership. And this means that anyone can find my group, but they will have to apply or be invited to join. Or I can do a private membership where only members of the group can find it online and people must be invited to join the group. We'll go with private membership for this example. Click Create Group. And now I can choose some settings for that group. Here I can set some of the library permissions. So I already chose my group type as private. I can make some decisions about access to the library, so reading, editing, and file editing. Once I have these selected, click Save Settings. And then I can go to Member Settings from the links up here to invite people to the group. To invite people to join your Zotero group, click on Send More Invitations, and you'll come to this page where you can invite members. You can invite people with their Zotero usernames if they already have a Zotero account, or you can invite people with their email addresses. If you invite people with email addresses and they don't already have a Zotero account, they'll get an email prompting them to create one. Once people are part of your group, you can also set their roles, which will determine how much access or control they have over the group library. Now let's take a look at how the group libraries appear in the desktop app. I'm going to open my Zotero desktop. And you'll see when I first open it, I'm taking a look at my personal library. But if I collapse that, I can also see my group libraries showing up. So we have the example library that I just created, which is empty, Bio 101. And then I've also got my demonstration library in here, which has some content in it. If I expand that, you can see that just like your personal library, you're able to create collections and sub-collections in a group library. As the owner, you will have the ability to create these collections. Other members of the group will be able to edit the library, create collections, move files around, depending on the permission settings that you gave them. You can also add annotations and notes to items in shared libraries that will show up for all members of the group. And again, your library settings will determine which group members also have that ability. To add a note, you just need to right-click on an item. Let's go with this one. Just right-click on it and select Add Note. And then this right pane will open up where you can start typing whatever note you want to add. If I click off of that, the note will be saved. And again, this will show up for everyone. You can also add annotations. So if I open up one of these articles, I can use the annotation features or functions to highlight, underline, add comments and notes. And again, those comments and notes will be visible to everyone who has access to your library. So this is really useful for collaborative projects. Okay, that's all for this video. Please check out the rest of the videos in the series. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or visit the Zotero Basics Guide, which is available through the UB Library's website. Thank you.